Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today, we have a little bit of tear-down therapy. I love taking things apart. What can I say? This is the Go360 unit, and this unit can apparently connect to your iPhone. I don't particularly see how, but today I just want to get into it and mess around with it. I got this at a Salvation Army for $3. It had a good charger with it and a good cable I could use elsewhere. The unit didn't actually turn on, so let's break it open and see maybe we can find out why. Honestly, I'm usually more interested in getting into things because of curiosity, but man, can I say the price, the idea of the price coming down so far to $3. $3. I remember back in the day when the cheapest one I could get was $100, and I started going down the back streets going home just to make sure the thing could actually be a GPS. And it was like magic when GPS first came out. It was really something. It really changed a generation. Usually, oh, it came with an SD card too. I love the little gibbly stuff, even if it doesn't work. Oh, I think supper's ready. So, it's always difficult to find out how to get into these. No, there is no screws on there. I guess I had to pry it apart with my He-Man hands from here. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, so after prying and fighting with it, I found out that I had to pull it out this way. Let's see. Looks like that ribbon pops off, pops down. Come on. Oh, no. Okay, so the rails here I had to pop up. Okay, there we go. So I'm not seeing any problems here. Not seeing any water damage here. The video wasn't turning on. It would make... Oh no. Did I pull too hard, or does that just come out altogether? It would make a noise. It would make a jungle noise as soon as I turned it on. And some of these units get, let's face it, they get thrown in the back seat. Kids put their muddy boots all over them sometimes. It is the life of a GPS, but now that we all have cell phones, who needs a GPS? Nobody's got cell phones anymore, Nevin. We all have cameras in the car looking out every direction. And we have a cell phone to do everything we need. It's like just your standard heat shield. Copper heat shield. There we have a look at the inside. I am not seeing any issue with this. Does look like we got some crud on the inside, but I'm not seeing much. Not seeing much wrong with this unit. Sometimes there are units that just won't work if their internal battery goes, but I don't even think that this thing has an internal battery. Could be wrong. Oh, that's probably it right there. Thank God. Termination ends for the speaker. That is probably what I need to replace. I bet this battery is the only issue. Because really, I'm not seeing any problem with the motherboard. I think it's just glue. Keep the battery there. Huh. Did not find what I thought I would in here. And of course, you get your antenna there. I think this is as part as I'm going to get the monitor. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah, that doesn't come apart much more than that. Alright. Big old magnet at the top. Wonder what's under that shield. Only one way to find out, eh? That is what's under the shield. This is one of those nice shields that you can easily pop the top off of. Not the type you need to take a small toothpick file to. Looks like that's the GPS strip right there. I haven't figured out if they put these shields on here for signal issues, or if they do it to keep it cool. Can't be to keep it cool, though, because if it was supposed to keep it cool, it'd be right on it, and I don't think it was. Anyways, that's it for me, folks. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciated. And as always, take care of each other. Have a good one.